Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up M1 Finance Investing. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, after you set up the initial account, you'll be brought to a screen similar to this where it says set up account type. So we do have the individual investing, which is the one we talked about before. We do have a joint investing account. If you have a loved one that you want to open an account with, we have your retirement accounts, which is where you're going to get into your Roth IRAs and accounts like that. So let's say, for example, you want to open up your Roth IRA through M1 Finance. We'll click where it says retirement, and then on this screen, it'll give you a breakdown of the different types of retirement accounts. So personally, the account that I like is called the Roth IRA. That's the one that I personally use, but there is the other breakdowns here if you have a rollover 401k from your employer. But let's go ahead and select Roth IRA. Now this is where it's going to have you enter your social security number. Again, it's all sent to the government, so you'll need to enter your social security number. Simply enter the SSN and tap on the continue button to complete the setup process. So that's basically how you can set up M1 Finance Investing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.